Alright, so fans of Champions TVG, it's another day here. If your phone is here, I've done a similar video to this, but maybe I didn't complete it. So if you're having problem with your phone storage, if you have forgotten your phone's password, if your phone is running slow and you want to flash your phone, clear the storage, and you want to reset your phone, I've intentionally used my phone as an example for you. So follow me in this video. I'll teach you how to flash your phone quickly.
I welcome everyone here to this channel, Champions TV GH. They respond home of creativity. Say it again, home of creativity.
I'm coming, friends. So we are going to flash the phone. You understand? I'm going to flash the phone in front of me here. So the phone, first of all, go to settings. Then let's go to settings. Okay, so now let's go to account and users here. Then let me log out all my accounts, remove account. Okay. Let me cancel this. Okay. So for next, move account. Even WhatsApp. For the Telegram, I don't want to move the account though. Then let's why can't I move this one? Okay. So now I have funnies here. So I'll be removing the account. Please, I'm just doing this video for you. Oh no, I really cherish this phone a lot. My Telegram account as well. So this is the next thing I'm going to do. Okay. I will the next thing I'll do is to remove your SIM card in external memory. Yeah, remove them. Okay. It pains me. I've taken away my WhatsApp and Telegram. So let me zoom it. Taking them. Then this. Alright, so the phone is still here. So back to settings. Then let's search for it. Okay, search for reset. So we could see reset options, erase all data, factory reset. So you come here, this thing is supposed to come. Okay, so it really hurts me doing this. It really hurts me. So you can see erase this, erase blah blah blah. So reset phone. So now I'm going to enter my password. Erase all your personal information and download apps. You can't undo this action. Oh my god, oh my god. Jesus. OMG. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. really keeping longer than expected. It's really keeping longer than expected. Oh my god. I hope I don't regret doing this. Wow. So it says hi there. I should select my preferred language. So I choose English language. Connect to mobile network. If you have SIM cards, say them now. Let me skip this option. So it says to connect to Wi-Fi. Should I skip? Let me skip. Let me continue. Okay, so my time and date, I don't care about that. Alright. So I accept. Then let's skip. Let me skip this. Let me skip our password. So just a second. Just a second, it's taking more than seconds. Alright. So I agree. I need to choose my country. My Ghanaian, of course. Ghanaian, if I Ghanaian, just test Ghana in the comment section for me. Jesus, what is this? What is this? I lost everything for you. I can't do it anymore. I can't. It's okay.
Alright, fine. So I was quite emotional at the time I flashed my phone, just for you to know how to flash your phone. So I couldn't continue the video anymore. So I just want to tell you that please subscribe to the channel and share this video to anyone of which it will help. Champions TV, home of creativity. Subscribe.